Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4,
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing African threading, and the African threading I'm going to be making use of is yarn. So basically what we call this is wool. So my hair is freshly washed as usual, and I'm going to be moisturizing my hair as usual with my hairspray, my leave-in conditioner, my hair growth oil, and then my hair butter. But before I do that, I would like to oil my African threading, because this wool, as we always call it, it has a tendency of stripping your hair of moisture. So I just decided to do this. I've never seen anyone do this, but I decided to do this, just oil my threading before I use it, and as you can see, it's already shining. So what I just did was just take down my old twists, because I washed my hair in this twist. Basically I'm going to be maintaining the sections. I don't have that strength, guys. I don't have that energy to start parting my hair, so I'm going to maintain the sections that I have already. So what I just do is take down each twist, and then I'm going to moisturize that section. And also my hair is fully detangled, because I did that before I put them in this chunky twist that I used to wash my hair. So I'm just going to go in with my leave-in conditioner, and then next I'll go in with my hair growth oil and make sure that I massage that into my hair properly. And then I'm going to slightly separate my hair in case there are any knots, or tangles from my washing my hair. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my hair butter. This is the process that I go through each and every time that I want to moisturize my hair. This really helps me to seal in the moisture, because every other thing is going to be a waste if you cannot seal moisture properly into your hair. So I just take two of this yarn, and then I grab that section, twirl it a little bit at the roots, not too tight, just firmly enough that I can thread my hair. So you can decide to use one thread or two depending on you, but I chose to use two just to give my hair a little bit of firmness. And so I go around the roots, making sure that it's not tight. I go around the roots a couple of times, say 3 or 4 times, then I start threading. So what I just do is just keep threading as I slide my hands downwards, because what we're doing, we are trying to create gaps in between each threading. So I'm just sliding my hands down and threading as I go downward. I'm making sure that everything is firm. It's not too tight, it's just firm enough. And the reason I chose this thread is because it doesn't have that tendency to slip from your hand. So if I was using the other threading that we know here in Nigeria, and then the other one, there's every tendency that because of the creams and the oils, my hands is going to be slipping out of my hair. So I decided to use this one. So I like to put a little bit extra of my hair butter on the ends of my hair. So I like to also double up on the thread, just like you saw me doing at the ends, towards the ends. The ends of our hair are usually the thinnest part. So I wanted it to have a little bit of body. So I double up on that side, and then thread all the way down to the ends of my hair, and then I knot it. And I knot it just once, because I want this takedown to be easy when I want to take down the threading. So as you can see, my hair is looking all beautiful. It's looking like a twist actually, but it's beautiful and I love it. So I cut out the excess thread, and guys, don't mind me, I was thinking I actually did cut off a little bit of my hair, but that's just the tiniest part, so there's no worries about that. So I'm going to show you guys another section that I walked through, and then I'm going to just let you watch this video and see how this hairstyle comes out. So I'm repeating the same process for this section. I'm going to oil my hair, moisturize my hair, do light separation. My hair is detangled, so I don't need to do any extra detangling, just light separation from the twist that I put it out from. Then I hold the roots firmly. I go ahead with my threading, and as you can see, guys, I'm leaving a little bit of the yarn, to merge up with my hair, so that it just gives it this firm hold. So I go around the roots a couple of times, and then I continue threading by giving space in between each threading as I go downwards. So I feel like this style comes out better and more beautiful when you have like medium sections. So when you have tiny and smaller sections, it doesn't look, it has this look for me like limpy, it doesn't carry weight, if I should say that. But as you can see, comparing these two sections that I just did, the first one has a little bit of weight and the second one is a bit smaller. So I would prefer it on the bigger side than on the smaller side. So guys, look at the ends of my hair looking juicy, curly. I was just admiring that side. So I went ahead to thread to the ends and knot it at the end. So this is what I'm pretty much going to be doing all throughout the section of my hair. And I want you to know that this style helps you to stretch your hair without having to use heat. But maybe the other style of threading, which you have to thread every part, would be the ideal for a good stretch. But I'm going to see how this comes out at the end of the day when I'm taking it down. I'm going to see if this is more better than the other style of threading that we are used to. But this has become a common and popular way of threading. As you can see, it's looking juicy, like your own can be even more beautiful than my own. The truth is, I'm not worried about the pattern. My patterns are not the best. Like, I don't care about that, guys. Like, I don't even want to stress about patting my hair to look very crisp and clean at the on my scalp. All I'm just interested in is maintaining the sections of my hair, and this has really helped me and saved me a lot of stress, because parting your hair every now and then can be really stressful to your scalp. What I just do is just to maintain each section, wash my hair in those sections, detangle my hair in those sections, braid my hair in those sections, and just save myself the energy of parting my hair every single time. So this is what my hair is looking like. Guys, I'm going to turn for you guys to see what this looks like, and it's looking good. It's looking like twists, but I must say that this is a very good way to thread your hair. If you don't really want to thread it all the way down, you can do this style. So I'll be changing my styles from time to time as I go, so that I don't box myself into one particular hairstyle. Overall, this is what it's looking like. I hope you guys love this. I'm going to definitely add some beads to this just to spice it up a little bit. And as you can see, what I was saying, I thread my hair to the ends. You can still see some of my hair sticking out. So yes, this is my hair. This is my full natural hair, as you can see. So this is just me trying to get a thumbnail for this video. But that's all good. So I went ahead to add some beads to the ends. I've had these beads for a long time and I've lost some of them, so but I just made use of what was left. I probably would complete it later on. So and this is the bead I was talking about. I didn't have much of it, so I just used what was left and I just left it alone. So probably I'll get some more of it and complete the rest. But this is what my hair is looking like. If you like this, if you love this hairstyle, please comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think about it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.